Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be giving an honest review on this face cream. Okay, so this is this Topicrem CICA Soothing Cream, and I'm going to be giving an honest review on this cream. Is it worth your money? What is this cream all about? Should you buy it? Is it worth the high-end price that is placed on this? I'm going to be explaining everything in this video. I'm going to be talking about the effectiveness and how it feels, the texture, how it feels on the skin, what you should expect by getting this. So this is a French pharmacy skincare designed to suit irritated skin or damaged skin. It also supports skin barrier repair and provide hydration for sensitive skin. Okay, so yeah, this is a French skincare brand, and this is what it looks like inside. The packaging is actually cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. This is a moisturizer for sensitive skin. So if you have a very sensitive skin, if you have redness, if you're someone that struggles with redness, or you're not getting enough hydration from most of the moisturizers out there, you should try out this particular face moisturizer. Okay, the ingredients in this are chiefly to repair your skin barrier. If you've compromised your skin barrier, you should try out this, because this is designed for sensitive skins. Who should use this? If a sensitive skin should use this cream. Yes, if you react to fragrance, this doesn't have any fragrance. If you have a dehydrated skin, a very dry, flaky dehydrated skin, you should use this. If you have a compromised skin barrier because of maybe products you've used, or if you are undergoing chemical peel, you should use this. This is a very good option. The ingredient list in this face cream is what makes it outstanding. It contains ingredients like the serine, the hyaluronic acid. It contains copper gluconate. It contains copper gluconate, zinc gluconate, manganese gluconate. It contains bisabolol. I don't know if I pronounced it well. I don't know what that is, but it contains that, and all these ingredients helps to moisturize the skin and to soothe the skin and support skin barrier repair. So if you have a damaged skin barrier, if you have acne on your face and you're undergoing any retinoid or tretinoid or any active ingredient, you should actually use this. This is going to help your skin barrier to be able to take in all those active ingredients and also moisturize, like deeply moisturize your skin. So this is actually a very nice one. So when we talk about the texture, this is creamy, like heavy on creamy. It has a rich, creamy, protective texture. If you apply this on your face, it can actually feel greasy. Yes, this can actually feel greasy for an oily skin, because I am oily skin girly, and let me tell you, when I got this thing, the first time I got this thing, I was like, what's this? Because I'm already used to lightweight products. I love lightweight products very, very well. So when I got this, I was like, okay, until I started learning how to use this, and now it doesn't feel heavy. But if you are an oily skin girly, when you apply it on your face, it's gonna feel kind of greasy, a little greasy on the face. It's not really lightweight. It is a rich, creamy, protective texture. Okay, I have it on my face here. Maybe I should apply it. And the color, I wouldn't really say the color is white. It's giving navy blue or sky blue. I don't know, I'm not good with colors, but I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if the light is too much for you to see the color. This is not giving white at all, because of I don't know if it's the manganese gluconate, I don't know, but it has this kind of sky blue color. So I'm going to apply this on my face to show you guys what I mean. Oh my god, why did I apply this on my face? So see, it feels kind of greasy on the face. Like when you're applying it, it is heavy. It's not lightweight. So the trick is, there's a trick on how to apply this. When you're getting this, you should get an essence. Maybe get the Hadalabo premium face serum. For me, I use this Hadalabo. Okay, so I go in with my Hadalabo on my face already before I apply this. So if you have Cosrx essence, Jumiso, or any essence of your choice that you use, go in with that essence first and then apply this. It's going to make the application much easier. Okay, so see how it's just moving like this? That's because I have Hadalabo on my face already. So if there was no Hadalabo on my face, guys, to push this into my skin would have been difficult. And for someone that is already used to lightweight products, I would say this would feel like a lot, but with the Hadalabo, it just goes in like a normal cream should. So So if you're getting this, get you an essence and it will work better. Guys, this works very good for sensitive skin and irritated skin. If you use a product and it actually hurts you on your face, there are some products you can use, and because of the percentage of the ingredients in it, it might start feeling hot on your face. Use this and it will suit that hotness you're feeling or that burning sensation that comes with that product. It will just relieve it in seconds. Okay, so guys, this is a very good cream. You can see how I am applying it all over my face. So that is what I have on my face. The texture is nice. It forms a rich protective coverage on the face, and it helps with the skin barrier. Okay, it helps with skin barrier. It contains glycerin. Okay, let me read the pack. In the pack here it says soothing cream promotes epidermal repair and purifies. Apply once or twice a day to a cleansed skin. So yeah, you can use this morning and night, and you can use it with your retinol or any of your active. Okay, so yes, it is recommended for irritation, burning sensation, discomfort or redness, or aftermath of dermatological procedures like your chemical peelings or any facials you have, you go for. And it's also good for sensitive and irritated skin. All right, so guys, yeah, that's it. This is a very nice one. Where's the ingredients? It's aqua, glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, sodium hydroxide. So guys, this is a very nice face cream you can use. Will I be repurchasing this cream? Yes guys, I will always have this. I love this so much. So whenever I introduce a new product that is like giving me a burning sensation, I run to this. I would always go back to Topicrem if I want to repair my skin barrier, or I notice that my skin barrier is kind of looking, I will go to this. Okay, I have other face moisturizers that I use, but I always go back to this when I feel like, okay, I'm doing a lot of active on my face. Topicrem should be my option for the night or for the day. So guys, you can use this morning and night. What I love about this is the fact that it soothes irritation. Guys, seriously, it soothes irritation. If you're having burning sensation, like when I introduced 20% azelaic acid on my face, it was hurting me, and this was what I used the couple of days I introduced it, and this stopped the burning sensation I was having because of I introduced 20% azelaic acid in my skincare routine. You're going to love this, and it's one of the things I love about this, the fact that it just relieves you of your discomfort, the redness. If you're someone that have redness on your face, get your Topicrem. And this is in 100 ml. I thought it was 500. So this is in 100 ml. Okay. Another thing I love about this, it doesn't have fragrance. I'm so used to fragrance-free products. Not so a sensitive skin girly, but I love fragrance-free. For my face, I love fragrance-free. And it can be used for infants, children, adults. So this is a very mild formulation, and any skin type can use this. Oily skin can use this. Dehydrated, dry skin, this is made for you. Sensitive skin can use this. So is this worth your money? It is worth your money. It is. I tell you for free. No, I don't tell you for free. Please click the subscribe button. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed to my channel. Like this video now. Okay, yeah. So this is a very nice one. The only thing I do not like about this, which I mentioned earlier in this video, is the fact that it kind of feels greasy. I have to always go in with Hadalabo and essence to just make the application very smooth. Yeah, so that's one of the things I feel like about this product. Okay, that's just it. A brightening face cream. If you're looking for brightening, no, this is not going to give you that. It's not a brightening. There is nothing brightening about this. You can actually go in with your other brightening products, your brightening serum, your brightening face wash, the brightening toner, but this is not going to give you brightening. This is just going to suit your skin, repair, improve your skin barrier, and hydrate your skin. Yeah, that's what it's gonna do for you. Overall, I think the Topicrem is an excellent option for wear repair. Okay, it's going to improve your skin barrier, it's going to hydrate your skin, and it's going to suit your skin very well. So it's a very good one. I love having it in my skincare. It is my go-to. It is always my go-to. I'm uncertain about a product I want to use on my face, and it actually protects me. Like, I always repurchase it as a rescue, yeah, for my skin barrier. So if you are thinking of getting this, yes, you can use this. You can use this, and the quantity is good. The quantity, little goes a long way. Okay, little goes a long way. So the 100 ml is actually quite okay, because it's only a pea-sized reed. You guys saw what I took in my hand and I applied it all over my face, and that's it. And it gives this shine look that I love so much. Oh, why did I forget to say that? It gives a shiny look on the face that is very adorable. Like, okay, so usually it's always my sunscreen that is always giving this glowy shininess, but this gives a glowy shine on the face. You guys can see my face. So yeah, guys, this is a go-to. This is a plus. It is a good brand. It is a good brand. You can get it with your Hadalabo and watch your face get better. If you have an acne prone skin, you can use it. If you are already struggling with your acne and you are using products, treatments and products for your acne, add this. Okay, add this to your routine. I recommended this to someone that I was having consultation with for skincare, and she loves it so much. Like, her face is improved already. What is left is for the post acne marks to be gone. Like, she used to have the acne all over her face, but now the acne is dried up. Her face is looking much better. So you can always add this if you have acne prone skin, if you have a normal skin, just sensitive skin. If you do not have a sensitive skin like me, I do not have a sensitive skin, but I still use it because of my skin barrier. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching up to this level. Cut this. Okay, I think it retails for, I honestly cannot remember the price, but it's kind of pricey compared to other moisturizers, but I can't remember the price. But I know that, okay, Topicrem is kind of pricey when I got it, so you can actually get it. It's worth your money. It's worth your money. So guys, another secret is this. Okay, so this is going to hydrate your skin. The more hydrated your skin looks, the more flawless the result gives. Okay, so yeah, you can use this too, and thank this girly by subscribing. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching up to this level. We've come to the end of this video. If you've never subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment. Okay, drop a comment, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.